We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today. And as you saw, I already put this up. I still got to cut out the opening for the fish tank, I know. But I have a couple of these panels that I bought already. I got to check if the store still has them, because you can even see down here, there's two different color panels right here. And if you go to the store and pick up what they have, you have to get what they have. And even when I picked up this at this day and age, you know, COVID kind of like wrecked everything with the stock, you know, options that you have. You know, you got to get what you can get, what they have. And yeah, that's it. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Sometimes I go there and they have like 20 of these panels. Sometimes I go there and they have like 3 of the panels, and you know what I mean? I don't know, it kind of sucks, but whatever. I deal what I can deal with. Unless you special order them. You could special order these and have them shipped to your house, and then you can get any color you want, but obviously there's an upcharge to that, and if you're working, you know what I mean, it's nice just to pick stuff up. You saw me, I put in this sink obviously not too long ago, but now I got to take it all apart. So I took out the screws that I had over here. I turned off the water, because you want to make sure you turn off the water before you start moving anything with plumbing, especially the washer machine, because if you have brass fittings, which I have brass fittings in the back of the washing machine, if you have a lot of pressure in it and you move it around, it could spring a leak easily, something you won't catch. It could drip after a while, whatever. And not only that, you could damage like the O-ring and stuff, because there's O-rings in there. So I'm going to pull this away. First, I gotta obviously drill it, take it out of the floor, because I drilled it into the floor as well, because I really wanted this thing to be stuck here. If you saw, this is a mop sink, a slop sink, a laundry sink, whatever. So you're gonna be dumping buckets in here that are heavy. So like I'm gonna be dumping a 5-gallon, maybe even a 10-gallon bucket if I can lift it. Look at me, I'm a little man. But my little man, is maybe if I'm dumping just a 5-gallon, it'll be, you know, still about 50 pounds. You know what I mean? And 50 pounds banging on this, trying to dump it, you know, you can do some damage. You wouldn't do that at your kitchen sink, you know, because you'd obviously be wearing something out. Where here, I knew that's going to happen. So I, you know, screwed it into the cement, or whatever. I screwed it into the floor, and then I screwed it over here. The plumbing, I got to loosen up as well. But since I already loosened up these ones and didn't put it back on, I'm going to have to put these J-hooks, you know, connected. Obviously, I'm going to secure that. I'm just going to use the J-hooks because they're white. I think they're easy to clean. Can you even see the J-hooks? All right. So anyway, yeah. So I took off these J-hooks obviously to slide this up. So I got to put these back. I don't know what looks nicer than the J-hooks that are just the white ones, because they kind of blend in with this, and I figured I can paint these. I usually, you know, in my videos, I paint everything blue. So I'm going to probably paint this blue and make it look kind of cool. So first, obviously, I got to take everything away over here. So, you know, I started doing whatever. Let's take this off and take this off. All right, so obviously, this is a sink. You're going to have some leakage here. So I would get something to put under here. Ooh, that is some stinky water. All right, so I was able to leave the legs here and just lift this off, which was a lot easier because I told you I drilled this into the cement, so it would have been a kind of a pain in the butt. So anyway, so I got that off. This pipe is in the laundry room. So I know if you have a laundry room or the lowest part of your basement, and you have sump pumps and you know whatever, you just have plumbing. You don't have the best house. All right, let's just put it that way. So with plumbing, if this isn't on a big enough slant, what'll happen is when the people upstairs do laundry and it comes through very, very fast, because the laundry is coming in right here. This pipe right here is the laundry, and it's dumping, you know, 10, 13 gallons at a time of water coming through this pipe very quickly. and then we have there's like 3 2-inch pipes that connect together that go into one 2-inch pipe. So if they're all going at, you know what I mean, a lot at a time, what'll happen is it'll, whatever, it doesn't matter. That my house sucks. So it backs up into here. So I know if you have the lowest place of yours, you might have to lift this. Let's get this in here. I gotta slide this, you know, pretty much right in here and hope that this doesn't come off. I mean, this shouldn't come off. Hopefully it'll hit into this, I guess. So I put some nails in. I hit where the studs were. Obviously, you want to try to, you don't want to hit into just sheetrock or anything that's not going to be able to grip. If you hit the nail into it, it just comes out after, you know what I mean, after a couple times of temperature change and fluctuations or whatever. Anyway, so you want to make sure you hit some kind of wood or something like that where these are going to grip and pull it in. Obviously, you know, maybe there is a certain way that they do it or whatever, I don't know, but what I've seen is that the seams after a while give out, so I would always want to make obviously the seams to you know, line up properly.